In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the Android SDK which is needed for development in Flutter. First, let's see if we need it. Open up your terminal and type in Flutter Doctor. This will only work if you install the Flutter SDK as shown in previous tutorials. Here we can see that it says Android toolchain unable to locate Android SDK. So let's install the Android SDK. Go to the Android Studio website. The only way to get the Android SDK is by downloading the Android Studio and press the download button. Once you downloaded it, run the application. Press yes. Press next. Make sure Android virtual device is on. Press next. Next. Once it's done, go ahead and start Android Studio. Even though we're not going to use Android Studio for development, we need to start it once in order to install the Android SDK. I'm not going to send any data to Google. The first time you launch Android Studio, you should get the Android Studio Setup Wizard. Press Next. Standard. Choose any theme. And make sure it says that you're going to install the Android SDK. Okay. Press Finish. Once it's done, go ahead and press Finish. Okay, if you go into your terminal again and type in Flutter Doctor, it now no longer says Android SDK missing. Okay, thanks for watching.